Ruppidoo. Universe BIOS. So, what's happening today? I'm gonna try the 1943 board. I have my Supergun setup ready, and I'm gonna dump another board. But first, I'm gonna check this UniBIOS and see which version it is. So, I'm gonna try to dump it first. And let's see if we can find this EEPROM C1024 MBM. So here we have it. Fujitsu DIP 40. Is this a 40 pin? I suppose. Yeah, it's all the pins, so let's read it. And UniBIOS. And let's compare it to this one. Let's just browse. Can I get rid of this? Same size. Multimeter is going nuts. Compare. No, it's not the same. Maybe you can even read it here. I wonder what version this is then. Yeah. Is there some info? Huh. I have to reburn this then. Reprogram it. Requirements. Well, at least I know that it's not the latest version now. I lent this out to a friend who's repairing some boards. So, what to do? Maybe I should try to put this in an EEPROM eraser actually. Here I have the other board that I'm going to dump the ROMs, but I fucked up. I prepared... Hello Empress. I prepared this board, loosening all the ROMs. And then I was going to flip it over, check something. So every ROM fell out. And these are not marked, so I don't know what's the position of these. So it should either be here, there, there, and there. So hopefully we can find a set in MAME. And I can position all the ROMs. Because this board is not working. So that's fun. Well, if I put stuff in the wrong place, the only thing that happens is corrupt graphics or code won't run, so nothing will break more than it is broken already. So let's see if I should... Maybe I should... I want to test this EEPROM actually, this Unibios. Yeah, let's start with that. Bring my MVS board out. It's a beast. Can I even fit the super gun on this one? Yeah, but there's no... these can't make anything burn here. It's too low voltages on these. What is it, 5 volts? Maybe 12. Well, I guess stuff could burn, but should not be any problems. Man, this is really stuck in there. Get out. So I don't know how well you can hear me when I turn my back on the mic though. I need the wireless microphones. So, Unibios is in, the old one. Let's see if I can hook this up. Well, it's in there. What I should have is a Yamaha harness between here, but I don't have it. This is the Neo Geo motherboard. So This is a motherboard. You insert the games here. And this is the super gun that is called. So you can hook it up to a TV and test it. And I have that to my OSSC here. So I get HDMI in. Yeah. Just hook this up today and let's see if my capture card is want to play nice. This is still working. Switch here, no signal. And turn on the OSSC. Should get the test screen here now. There we go. Now I can start the MVS. I don't think there is anything else to do, so let's start it. And we should see the BIOS coming up here. If it syncs. Still nothing though. It's a bit worrisome. Okay, maybe I need a game. Let me get a game. Let me just see if the capture card, yeah, still didn't hang up. Not really. Still have lots of things to do down here. But now at least, so here, put the game in. At least now I got this hooked up, so. Okay, let's give it a shot again. Maybe my friend who burned this EEPROM did something funny. Yeah, I think he burnt the wrong thing maybe. Because this is not showing anything. So let's pop the BIOS out again. Go. And let me go grab the EEPROM eraser. So what you do is you put the chip in here in a tray, and there's UV lights in this that erases the chip. Good evening, OP. We just tried out my Unibios that a friend burned, but did not work. So I'm gonna erase the EEPROM and try writing a new one on it. But that's gonna take a while. I don't know how long it takes to erase the EEPROM. But probably a few minutes. I never used this, so I don't know what works really. But I'm gonna put it in another room. Yeah, it seems to light up, so it should work. Yeah, EEPROM burn is nice to have. So let's set a timer on that. Timer, Google. 10 minutes. So I have the timer going. And I should probably turn off desktop audio, since you guys are gonna be deaf when it goes off. What happened now? Did it crash? No? Maybe some drop frames there. So let's see. Microsoft, yeah, this is still on. So what do we do in the meantime? Maybe start working on this. As I was telling Empress, I was gonna check something on the underside of this board. So I dropped all the EEPROMs because I have had already loosened them. So now I don't know where all of these goes. Man, this camera is laggy. Why? Anyway. So, let's see. What kind of EEPROMs do we have here? Oh, I have to switch inputs. This is a nice thing now when I have the HDMI switch. I can still use the microscope and the OSSC HDMI. This is a key feature. Yeah, it's Art of Fighting I have in there. I have 2 of those, so if stuff breaks, not too worried if one of the games break. So, can we find this chip in the program? This is AMD 27C011 DIP32. Yeah, it's a quite common game, isn't it? So here I found the chip in the programmer tool. So let's put this in. Just for fun, we could as well as, let's see. No, why not? Looks fine. Did I pick the wrong one? Let's look at some of the others. That's another chip, different chip. AM27C101. AM27C, so yeah, 0101. Yeah. That's DIP32. So what's the problem here? It says PGM though, but yeah. Hi Heidi. Yeah, it's your chips here. No, I just told everyone here earlier. I messed up. I was gonna check something on the bottom of the board, and I have already loosened the chip, so all of them fell out. So I'm not sure where some of these go now. But it's okay. It doesn't matter. If we can find what kind of board this is, we can check that. Yeah, hashtag fail. We can check where all the chips should be anyway, so it's not a problem. But I'm trying to read the ships now, and it says AM27C 010. But this is it's a 12.75 volt. Maybe that's the issue actually. Does this programmer handle that? Can it do 12 volt ships? That is a question I need to ask myself. Because if you look here, it says 13.5. Why does it do that actually? What if we pick one of the others? It's the same. Let me just remove this tape and see if there's another info here. No, it's just the AMD logo, so... Why doesn't it want to read it? Let's try one of the others and see if these are different. The other ones are different. Let's switch to the microscope. If I have a ST, probably this M27 M27 C111001. Yeah, we have it here as well, so let's try this one then. Yeah, this one reads. So let's make a folder. Lady Bug, or no, Lady Frog. And this is one of the unknowns, so I'm gonna write unknown 1. And let's upload it here and see if we get any MAME matching ROM sets. And we do. So that's good. 013, so this should be 13. So now I know the position of it. So that's good. And I'm gonna do like I did with my 1943 here. Copy this information. So now we know this ROM is a good ROM. So there's no problem with this one. And we could name this actually. Yeah, 013 should be sufficient actually. And we can rename the file as well. So that's cool. We have one chip that fell off that we know where it's supposed to be. Which is here. Because this is 12, and this is 11, and this is 10. I knew where these were gonna go, because I remember this 4 here, and 3, 3, 2, and this should be 5, and the one here is 1. So let's hope we can read other ones as well. But we know this one is good now, so this is not the problem with the board. So let's check another one. And here we have another AMD chip. Let's see if I can find it. AM27040. Here we have it. It's a DIP 32. And the 32 is the number of pins on the chip. So that's how you know. Let's see if it wants to read this one then. I haven't tested those actually. Yeah, this seems to be readable. But I think those are used for making Super Nintendo repos now. So that's what I want to do as well. Translate some Japanese games to English. Make a clean repo out of them. Oh no. Internal server error. Please don't break now. I need this site. No. No. This can't be happening. Let's try again. 512, quite a big ROM actually. Oh no. What are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do now? Alternative to the MS-DOS from ident app. Why does this happen to me? Same when I was doing no intro dumps. Site went down as well. Hopefully it's temporary. Nope. Yeah, this is totally geek. I agree. But I've been interested in this stuff since they started dumping arcade games actually, because I remember when we were playing like Street Fighter 2 on Super Nintendo, and like a year after that I was playing it on my computer, the arcade version. And that was really crazy. Yeah, the Google timer is for the erasing of the other EEPROM. We can see if it's erased now actually. Erasing. I had let me show it here. This window here is where you program the EEPROM. So this is a UniBIOS for Neo Geo, but I couldn't get it to work in my Neo Geo. So I'm gonna reprogram it. Then I have to shed some UV light on this window here, and it erases it. So if we put it in a programmer now, we should be able to program it. But let's see. Now I have to keep track on all these EEPROMs here. First I have to set the correct chip. NBM 27 C124. Yeah, Fitzy. So now when I have erased it, I want to double check that it really is erased. because I have to, maybe I have to run it for longer. So let's see. If it's erased now, it should only be FFF here. And no data at all. And it seems to be fully erased. Because I just read the ship and it returned nothing. So now we can program it. So if we go to the Universe BIOS official homepage and download the BIOS here, I have already done that. So now we can go into program mode. Where is that actually? I have not programmed before. Fill buffer, verify. Maybe I open it. This is the one I want to burn. Okay. Now this is geek to me. How many arcade PCB I got? I don't know. Perhaps around 30, close to 30, I'd say. Maybe if we count the cartridges as well, there's close to 40. We're gonna go through all of them eventually. This is just a start. I want to like test setup and everything, so then I'm gonna gather them all together because they're spread out. And yeah, and see what to how I should go about going through all of them. Let's just try OK. This seems wrong actually. It should say Unibios here, I think. It tries to say that, but I'm not sure. Is there any instructions here? Yeah. Yeah, Neo Geo cartridges and Taito F3 and what's it called? PGM. And oh yeah, I have those as well. What's those called? The there's a PCMCA cartridges. So maybe closer to 50 actually now when I think about it. Let's see. When I open this in the hex editor, maybe I shouldn't get hung up on this, but this says Universe BIOS 40 blah blah blah. Maybe this is correct. Yeah, let's just burn this and see. Read from chip. How do you burn? Program chip, perhaps. Program. What's it called? God damn it. I'm trying to figure out what the system is called. So, program successful. So, let's put this in the Neo Geo and try again if it will come to life. There we go. And that's me switch here and switch the inputs. And let's go. Nothing. Okay, okay. It was a while since I tested this board though, but should be okay. 73 Neo Geo, that's quite a lot actually. But it's more impressive that half of them are AES because those are more expensive, so. Yeah, I'd rather play arcades than the controller actually. Yeah, let me go grab my other MVS board. Be right back. Okay, so it's in a very bad spot. Can't get it out really. You guys are chatting. Missing all the fun. You have another bottom floor, Heidi. I know. You have space if you want to. A cool crusty game here, though. let's see if this want to start. So, let's see. Do we have an action here then? No? Why not? And the OSSC, OSSC is alive. So what's the issue here? Let's try the game I tried with before the stream. So this I've tried before. But nothing now. Did the super gun give up? Nothing. Well, there's some quality content for you. Stuff not working. Let's reset the SCART connector. Nope. Well, that's very disappointing, I'd say. Yeah, that's the luck of the draw tonight, I guess. So, let's see if we can get these ROMs dumped at least. What do I have here then? I have to figure out why it's not working all of a sudden. And we have another of those. 40. This one. And this, I fucked up the pin when I dropped it. This is my pin straightener tool. Seems to read another big one. Yeah, maybe I should mark the one that I haven't been able to verify. Let's make this 2. And let's hope this site is alive now. Come on. Ow! Are these too big? Is that the problem actually? Let's try a smaller one again. Yeah, they're too big, I think. Was expecting that actually. So how do we solve that then? What does this say actually? Based on ROM ident. Can we run ROM ident on the computer then? Instant arcade, win ROM ident. Yeah, this sounds promising actually. Database files for the DOS version, blah blah blah. Oh, isn't it stereo on it already? I haven't tried it in my new Astro City cab actually. What do these guys mean? Download the System 16 actually. Is there a direct link? Yeah. These are quite old, aren't they? February 19th. These are really old. I mean, like 2001. Maybe this program is old as well. 2005. What does no interest say about arcade stuff? It does not have anything here, right? No. Yeah, arcade PC based. So only the PC based arcade games. What to do? I guess there should be something with MAME that if you have a MAME ROM set verification tool, you should be able to use that. But it's gonna be a problem with like you're missing a couple of ROMs and stuff for every set. I'm not looking for ROMs. Let's see. What happens if I open the ROM here? That's data. We can get the CRC. Where is it? Am I blind? Okay, let's get it the old-fashioned way then. SH1. And if we Google this, we get Ladyfrog set 2. So this one also matches, but which one is it then? Here we go. It's the 5. Did you guys catch that? So I searched for the, if you check the files, these have all checksums that, like, it's a checksum of the file. And if that matches something, we can find it. So I found it here. And this one says 005 here. So this should be 005. We don't get this nice text file from ROM-ident site though, but if you check this one as well. Yeah, it's Lady, yeah, this game. Return of the Ladyfrog. It's X-rated, so. And here the CRC matched this one as well, so this is 003. So yeah, we're getting there. And this was the one I had in the programmer. Let me get a pen or something. Or I can just put it in the right place, actually. Yeah, you have to have those games for lonely nights, I guess. So, this was number 3. And it goes here. And the other one was 5. And that one goes there. So let's see. We have, what do we have? And this one. Looks a bit different, this one. But it's the same chip, right? AM27C040. Yep. That's what we have set here already. So let's just dump it Did I fuck up the pins now? And another big one, I guess. You have amplified stereo on S-port. Okay. Yeah, this contains data. Unknown. And let's just check the CRC from the site we have open already. No match. Okay. No match on the internet as well. Now we have a problem though. And this one won't play nice with the big file, I guess. 512 is too big. No, this worked. But you can't identify it. So that either means this is an unknown dump or this is a corrupt EEPROM. Don't know if we need to write this down actually, but let's just do it. There we go. I'm just gonna leave it here on the side. Oh yeah, and we have this one with which we couldn't dump before. Let's just give it the last shot before. Amazon 7C 1010. Select. Come on, read, please. No. Well, it might be dead actually. Might be totally dead. But now we have 2 unknown ships. That's not optimal. But let's take out number 4 here. Well, I could try to erase it and try to read it when it's erased. And if it's readable then I can reprogram it. But if it's still not readable when it's erased, then it's just a trash with it. But you can get these ships on eBay, so yeah. So another 40. Select that in the programmer software. And these pins are a bit messed up as well. Just ate the floor. Well, it's good that I set the standard on the first stream that they joined, Heidi. It's good. No, you can probably, I don't know about, some of these are expensive actually, but you just have to check and see what they go for. No, I said I'm setting a good standard for the first stream, Heidi. Stuff is not working and drop your ROMs on the floor and stuff. So this should be 004. Verified. And we can check the checksum. This is all unscripted, unedited footage, so this is what you get. Let's see, yeah, this matches here as well. 004. We can say that this is verified. So we have 2 dodgy ships, so that's probably why the game is not working, or at least one of the reasons. Well, I mean, one ship is dodgy, since you can't dump it. The other one might be fine, actually, but we can't verify what ship it is. So this should be number 6. And is it the same as the other one? Yes. So just dump it. Zero 06. And check this checksum. No match here. Okay. No match there. Okay. Unverified. So either a new version of the game or a broken dump, actually. And what do I have here? It's the same. Yep. And what you can do when you dumped all these is make a MAME ROM of them and run it in MAME if the game is supported there. Yeah, but because these are erasable, they can break actually. 7. I'm not sure I want to stream this game though. Might get banned. I have a verification that is 007, so this is verified. I can stream on your account then. And you get banned. Well, that's what you think. Here, 008. Can you stream that though? Not sure you can actually. Yeah, this is also verified. Number 9. I'll let some other person try it, to be honest. I know I can probably boot the game without problems. It is called Return of Lady Frog. So you can look it up. Gameplay. 009. Let's see. No, nothing here, nothing there. So this is another unverified one. So either this is broken or it's a new version that has not been dumped before. Bug from whatever. Yeah, maybe I should check the ship that is the same. There we go. It wasn't. We want a M27C 101 ST. Maybe I should put it in the programmer as well. Don't link unsafe content, please. 0110. Yeah, this matches. Yeah, you can actually see here as well what the main CPU, code, graphics, audio. It's quite an old board, so but maybe they do a new version with some other board. Oh, these files were actually a bit smaller. We can try it in the identifier. Ah, there we go. Graphics stuff. Why? 10, right? And we have. Oh, now I'm messing up all the windows. $11. Too bad that this has a limit on the size, actually. Maybe I should install the MS-DOS stuff and try to verify there. 11. So these check out fine. 12 here, it's the same type of ship. Yep. Well, and 13 is dumped, so now we only have those two that I can't dump for some reason. So what do we have left then? We have, yeah, one of course, and two, 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this should be 1 or 2. Look at the ships then. The AM27C040, that should be the bigger one of them. So that should be the O2, this one. And this is the O1. The O1 is a small ship as well, so makes sense. So this is O2 and this is O1. And then we have the files we managed to dump is the O1. Or, wait. Which one did I dump actually? I think I dumped this one. Yeah, this is the big one. What am I saying? Yeah, O2. Confusing myself now. O2, O1. O2. And O1. So, all ships in correct places again. But since I can't stream when we try it, there's no use trying it. But I could maybe... I could make a ROM out of this that I have already. And 002 on very... What's this, by the way? Did we get this through the... I don't get it. Let's try these bigger ones again. Nope. But if this goes by the other same what's it called? Same program that has this old data. Maybe we should try this actually. or just go with the old DOS program here. Unzip the same directory. Must be in the path. No, should not be matter anything. So don't know why I try to remember everything. Dump tools. Oops. Rom ident. Get in there and that file. And to make it easy, let's take these. Copy. Hello, this computer is lagging. Let's put them there. Open a command prompt. So, rom ident. Cannot run in Windows 64-bit. What? What? But that is a problem actually. Can't I just say run this in compatibility? Yeah, like Windows 95 or something. Oh. How about this one then? Is there a Windows version of rom ident? Blah blah blah. Win rom ident. Web-based version, yeah, but that one does not work. Aha. You can use MAME. That's interesting. Where did I install it though? Let's use PowerShell. I hate all the command prompt. Try the new. What's this? What's happening with this computer? MAME. Computer hacker. No, it's computer lagger. Was it ident? ROM ident. C colon dumps. Come on. Ladyfrog. 002. Cool. This is cool. Maybe you need the correct name as well. That would be... No, you shouldn't need that actually. Takes off a long time though. Is it even doing anything? Makes you wonder. What's this? Roman ultra fast. You drag a window for remover. Out of date. It takes about 30 seconds. Takes longer than that for me. Let's dump it to a file. Anyway. For every file contained in the folder. So, you have to put a folder name. Or maybe not. Did it write anything? Okay, let's leave it for a while. Yeah, this doesn't seem like anything happens really. Takes about 30 seconds. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe let's see. I think I have a newer MAME version than the one it's using now. MAME. Let's try this instead. something is up with this computer because this takes so long time. Maybe try the command prompt run as admin. AIM64. Let's copy this. No. Really? What happened there? It just says main. Okay. This no ROMs matched. Oh. So here they changed the syntax actually. File or directory path. What's the problem here? Don't understand. Is it a space here perhaps? No, then I shouldn't be able to output this file either. But this one is finished as well. Said no ROMs matched. Yeah, I'm trying to identify the ROMs in a different way, Heidi. Since yeah, I couldn't find it on the web. What did this output then? No matched. No match. Let's try the other one. Which one was that? 006. Same here. Nothing. And this takes a long time. File or directory path? Which one is this? This is a new one. So this does not find a file. Oh, maybe. No, something happened. No single quotes in all the CMD. But this takes longer than 30 seconds, that's for sure. So we're trying just to get a verification or identification on these ROMs. We know it's the game, but if this... want to know what version or anything else, no ROMs matched. So this might be a new undumped version, or these ROMs are also corrupt. No rooms matched. So yeah. Let's do the same for the last one. What was that? 009. And by using MAME, we're using a much newer database of games as well. We could actually try this on my 1943. Because I could not verify them either. Let's use PowerShell. Now we can use single quotes, dumps, EEPROMs, 1943. You should be able to specify a path here, but yeah, maybe that works now actually. Yeah. /. This did not say no rooms matched now. But did it write anything? Yeah, here. Ah, here we got a match. Cool. So CSR9 is verified as well. I feel so nerdy right now. So number 6, unverified. What did this one say? Both identified them actually. Yeah. Now we can be pretty sure though that this is set 1. Since we only got one match on one ROM, we only got set 1 match. So let's do this. Where no notepad. I'm learning loads of stuff today. Hope you are too. Because if you check like number 10 here you have match on these 3 sets. Or these are actually the same set, I don't know. But set 1 and 2. But we only got match on one set on this number 9 here. And that was set 1, so this should be Lady Frog. The Return of Lady Frog, set 1. What did he say actually? Yeah. So if we want to make a replacement of the ships that's not working, we could just take set 1 from MAME, take the ROMs there and burn them. And then it should work. But it's funny that... oh yeah, how's the 1943 going? 2 match, 1 did not match. That's cool. Because that's pretty much the same. Where is that? Here. Yeah, Euro. It's a Euro release. So that's what I'm thinking there as well. That the first ROM is broken here on the 1943. Because when I well, it can't be broken either because I made a ROM set out of this. I can even show it actually. From AIM here. I have to switch screens. Can I do that actually? Uh-oh, what happened now? Maybe not. Let's see. It runs on the wrong screen. Video options. Can I select the other screen somewhere? Maybe not. But yeah, I can run the 1943 ROMs in MAME and it boots up. Even though the first one wasn't a match. So let's copy this here. Maybe I can actually do that for all the files now. And if I do it correctly. So Lady Frog. Why does this not want to do it? This is the old MAME. Let's try the newer one. It's not called Ladybug. Ladyfrog. No. Why though? It worked here when I did 1943. Return of Ladyfrog. Is it because there is a space in the directory name? That's annoying. Let's try changing that then. Make an underscore. Probably, yeah. I'm gonna say that. Probably have files locked up now. Derp. Make a copy. Yeah, that was the problem. Don't use space in directory names, guys. I think should be able to handle it 2023, but guess not. And I'm all out of beer. Well, how long this takes when it takes all the files. This should, however, match. Oh, already done. Where did that file go, though? There. No. 0 bytes. There. Yeah, so 002 and 006, no match. And of course no mesh on the text files. You can remove these to make it cleaner. And set. So 006 and 002 or either unknown versions or bad dumps. So where did we have the page as well? We can see 002 main CPU. So that could be code that runs the game. So that's good because that means this could be another version of the code. And 6 is also code, main CPU. So yeah, you might have an undumped version of something here. Might be a set 3 that's unknown. That's quite cool. Or wait, we have another option here, I guess, because this is a bootleg as well. So it's not an original PCB. Do I dare to Google this? Maybe not, actually. But yeah. I think I will end it there today, actually. Not sure what to do next besides trying to get the Supergun working so I can stream when I test the PCBs. It's really annoying that that broke. A rare bootleg. Yeah. But yeah, we got somewhere. Not all the way, but yeah. I will try it in my cabinet as well and see what happens with it. Yeah, stream. Yeah, maybe I can hack the ROM to take all nudes out. I don't know. Yeah, it's a real bummer that I couldn't stream the games because I can stream for a bit more if I was able to, but maybe tomorrow or the other day. But please subscribe, tune in next stream. I'm really glad that you were here tonight to see this. Peace out.